This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Jackie Lovell. Beautifully updated home with arts and craft style entry door, with country style wood shutters and a huge backyard. Bigger than others in the same legal description. Dark wood laminate flooring sure to please all and open floor plan with view through kitchen to GR and peekaboo opening to the hallway. Expansive great room with built-in dining nook, atrium doors out to the back deck with view of this very deep yard. Bath and kitchen both have been updated. Kitchen with corian countertops, bath featuring subway tile. Large master bedroom with barn-style door to the walk-in closet. All kitchen appliances included. Not washer or dryer. For more information, review the details below or contact Jackie Lovell at 317-332-75.